Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Permata, natural skincare handcrafted in the heart of Bali. My name is Lestari and I'm the founder of Aura Permata. Aura Permata is all about passion for Balinese natural beauty and tradition. Every product is handmade with love in Ubud, using a high-quality natural ingredient like local coconut oil, tropical flower, and rich essential oils. Today, I'm so excited to walk you through our product range. To make it easier, I have grouped everything into categories so we can see what fits perfectly into your routine. So let's get started. First, let's talk about our touch massage candle. These are not just only candle, they double as massage oil. We make them with a blend of soy wax, shea butter, and cacao butter for a super nourishing base. Then we add 6 incredible scents like lavender, chamomile, jasmine, vanilla, ylang-ylang, and sandalwood lemongrass blends. They come in 2 sizes. The largest bar volume for 170 gram for longer use, and the smaller crystal jar volume 70 gram, which is perfect for gifting or single-use full-body massage. Plus, the crystal jar can double as a cute keepsake container when it's empty. To use, simply light the candles, let the wax melt, and pour the warm oil into your hands for relaxing massage. It's the ultimate way to unwind and pamper your skin. Next up, our handmade soap bar. Are all about nourishing your skin with natural ingredients. We make this using a cold process method, which means we mix oil like coconut oil, olive oil, and shea butter with lye to turn them into a soap. Don't worry, the lye is completely gone by the end. We let the soap cure for weeks, so they are gentle, long-lasting, and creamy, and each soap has own personality. The Balinese Paradise Bliss soap is infused with ylang-ylang and frangipani for soft, refreshed skin. And if you love coffee, you will adore the Bali Brew Cafe Latte soap. It's got real coffee powder to gently exfoliate and wake you up with the energizing scent. Every bar is hand-poured, hand-cut, and packed with love. And now let's move to hair care, starting with our shampoo and conditioner bars. Bali Bliss Botanical Shampoo Bar. This one's for healthy, happy hair. The Bali Bliss Botanical Shampoo Bar is packed with scalp-loving ingredients. We blend cacao butter, jojoba oil, and French green clay to clean your hair while keeping it moisturized. The green clay also helps detox your scalp and remove buildup. For the fresh herbal scents, we add the tea tree, rosemary, and lemongrass essential oils. Everything is hand-pressed into solid bar and left to cure. So you get a shampoo that lasts longer, and it's great for travel, plus no plastic bottles, so it's a win for your hair and the planet. Balinese Serenity Shampoo Bar. If your hair's feeling a little dry or damaged, the Balinese Serenity Shampoo Bar is here to save the day. We use neem oil and neem powder to calm your scalp and straighten your hair. Cacao butter gives it that creamy lather, while ylang-ylang, frangipani, and sandalwood essential oil help repair your strength and make your hair smell amazing. It's handcrafted, plastic-free, and a total treat for your hair. The Balinese Silk Radiant Conditioner Bar is like the perfect match for our shampoo bar. It's made with hydrolyzed silk protein that goes deep into your hair to restore moisture and shine. Cacao butter and olive oil make it super nourishing without feeling heavy. We also add frangipani and lemongrass essential oil for that silky soft, fresh feel. It's solid, travel-friendly, and leaves no waste. Just silky, happy hair. If you prefer a creamy conditioner, this one is for you. It's made with hydrolyzed silk protein, calendula infused olive oil, and neem infused coconut oil that deeply nourish and revitalize your hair. The tropical scents of frangipani, ylang-ylang, and sandalwood make it feel like a spa day in your shower. For body care, we have everything you need to pamper your skin. Now, alright, let's talk about your skin. The Tropical Fusion Cream is dreamy body butter that feels like vacation in a jar. We whip mango butter and grapeseed oil together to create a light, fluffy texture that melts into your skin. It's non-greasy but super hydrating. To give it that tropical touch, we blend in ylang-ylang and frangipani essential oil so it smells just as good as its feel. It's perfect for dry skin or just pampering yourself after a shower. Balinese Bliss Sugar Scrub is like dessert for your skin. We mix granulate sugar with mango butter and coconut oil to gently exfoliate and hydrate at the same time. Essential oils like lemongrass, lavender, vanilla make it smell amazing. The scrub is whipped until creamy, so it's super easy to spread. Your skin will feel smooth, refreshed, and totally pampered. If you love a good lather, the Bali Foam Bliss Sugar Scrub is for you. It's whipped up with mango butter, coconut oil, and a bubbly surfactant to create a foamy, fluffy texture. Poppy seed add a gentle exfoliating touch, and essential oils like lemongrass and vanilla make it smell like tropical escape. It's fun to use, super nourishing, and leave your skin glowing. Want a spa day at home? The Balinese Garden Aromatic Bath Infusion is what you need. We mix Himalayan pink salt, Epsom salt, and dried frangipani petals to create a socks that relax your body and mind. There's also green and pink clay to detoxify and soften your skin. We add essential oils like ylang-ylang, sandalwood, and bergamot to make every bath feel luxurious. Just throw a handful into your tub and you are ready to unwind. Now let's talk about some target treatment that I absolutely love. Our Lavender Kiss Nourishing Lip Balm is a lifesaver for dry lips. We melt beeswax, shea butter, and coconut oil together to lock in moisture. Then add a sweet almond oil and vitamin E to nourish and protect your lips. And finally, a touch of lavender essential oil. Give it a calming scent. It's small, simple, and keeps your lips soft and healthy whenever you go. Cool Relief Eucalypt Mint Balm. This balm is perfect for shooting sore muscle or just refreshing your skin. Made with coconut oil, beeswax, menthol crystal, and peppermint essential oils. It provides a cooling, tingling sensation that's incredibly relaxing. Just massage it into tired muscles and feel the reliefs. Now, the Bali Healing Calendula Salve. Is your go-to for calming irritated skin. We infuse calendula flowers into olive oil for a month, letting all the goodness soak in. Then we add the shea butter, cacao butter, and a mix of lavender, chamomile, and tea tree essential oil. It's a great for dry patch or just whenever your skin needs a little extra love. The lavender and vanilla bliss hand cream is perfect everyday moisturizer for your hand. We blend cacao butter and grapeseed oil to make it rich but not greasy. Lavender essential oil and vanilla extract add a soft, calming scent. It's super hydrating and absorbs quickly, so your hands stay soft without feeling sticky. The Herbal Relief Massage Oil is like a little spa in a bottle. We mix jojoba oil, calendula infused oil, and ginger oil to relax your muscles and ease tension. Black pepper, eucalyptus, and lavender essential oil add a soothing, warming effect. It's perfect for full body massage or targeting sore spot. Just warm a little between your hand and let it work its magic. Bali Botanical Gentle Makeup Dissolver. This is my favorite for removing makeup while taking care of your skin. It's made with sweet almond oil, castor oil, and kaolin clay to gently dissolve makeup and impurities. Plus, the touch of rose essential oil make it smell absolutely lovely. Thank you so much for joining me today and letting me sharing the magic of Aura Permata with you. All of our products are handmade with love using natural ingredients inspired by the beauty and tradition of Bali. If you like to learn more or try this for yourself, visit our website at aurapermata.id. Check out our Shopee store or contact us on WhatsApp. I cannot wait for you to experience the beauty and care that Aura Permata brings. See you soon!